Hello everyone, welcome back to Hello Excel. Today we're going to talk about how we can create these colorful and dynamic progress bars in Excel. These bars are really neat and clean, which are very pleasing to eyes and easy to understand. Let's just get started. So for that, first we'll have to create the bar using repeat function, which is denoted by REPT. Which text you wanna repeat? I wanna repeat this. Then how many times? I wanna repeat it by 30%, right? So we'll put it in the formula like this, and since it is in percentage, we'll have to multiply it with 100 like this. Yes, so you can see the given text has been repeated by the number of times, which is 30%. Now we'll use text function along with this to write our desired text. I want 30% right beside my data bar. So what I will do now, I will put another function, which is text function, TEXT. What value I want? I want this percentage to be written right beside my data bar. Then format text. In what text? I want it in percentage. So I will write like this: 0%. Like this. I will drag this formula and copy to other cells as well. Like this. Now I want to visualize them in a data bar. So all I will have to do is select these cells and change the font to either Playbill. You can use Playbill, or you can also use font Stencil. My personal favorite is Stencil, so I will go with this. Right now you can see that we have got our bars, but these are not colored. So what I will do, I will put a conditional formatting over them. So for that, I'll go to Home, then Conditional Formatting, then Manage Rules. Okay, what I want to do is, if this value is less than or equal to 45%, I want them to be in color red. So what I'll do is equals to, if this is less than equal to 45%, I'll remove the $sign from the column, from the row number, right? Okay, if B4 is less than equal to 45%, I want them in red color. So what I'll do, I'll go to the font, and I want it in color red. Okay, so I'll do okay from here. Okay, so there's one. Now the next will be new rule. Next I want that the percentage which is more than 45% but less than or equal to 85%, I want them in a color orange. Okay, so what I'll do, equals to, and I'll put two conditions. That's why I am using the function AND here. If this, again will remove $sign from row number. If it is more than 45%, right, comma, but this is less than or equal to 85%. I'll remove this $sign from here. Yes, then format. I want them in color orange, so choose orange. Okay, apply. And the last rule is, if percentage is more than 85%, then I want them in color green. So equals to this, again remove the $sign, if this is what more than 85%, then I want them in color green. So I'm gonna choose color green, this green. Okay, then okay, and then I'll apply this formula as well, and okay. And there you can see that there, as you can see now, all of these bars are color coordinated. See, if I change this to 20%, this will change to color red. If I choose this as 95%, it will change to green. So there you have it, color dynamic bars that visually represent your data. Isn't it easy? With this simple technique, you can make your data more engaging and easier to interpret. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and before you leave, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Bye bye and take care.